Good morning, it's Saturday the 4th of February, good morning, kill me please, 5th of February 2017, I'm so tired, it's 7:30, yep, it's 7:30 in the morning, why am I up? I don't know, I'm all dressed and ready for PQA, wash my hair, literally wash my face, put my spot cream thing on, moisturisers, brush my teeth, I'm ready to go. PQA starts at 2:45, it's currently 7:30, so I've got a few hours before I need to leave. Devon's not going to be here this week, Devon is in London, so Devon, enjoy yourself. I honestly have no idea why I'm up at this time, I'm not there. But yeah, we'll have another read through of our script thing, and then auditions are in 2 weeks today. Apparently, don't know why, because we got told 2 weeks ago that they'll be this week. But anyways, it is now 20 minutes past 11 in the morning. I don't know how many hours we have. What time did I start vlogging? Was it like 7:30? I don't know. Yeah, it's 20 past 11. And I have not done much. Nothing very interesting. I'm very, very tired. I'm gonna go for like a little snooze in a second. I didn't go to sleep till about 2:30ish this morning. And then I got up at 7. So I am tired. I am drained mentally and physically. And also, I was trying to take a bit of a nap before. I'm too tired. I was trying to take a nap in my bedroom, but the neighbours must be decorating or something, and they keep banging on the walls and they're shouting over like the drill noises, and it's annoying, so I couldn't sleep. When I'm in town, I'm gonna go get like an over-the-door hook from my bedroom, because I need a door hook because my coat is like just lying on the ground in my bedroom. I need a hook for that. Oh my god, I'm so freaking tired. I'm gonna vlog from this angle because it's more comfortable than vlogging up there. So let's get my double chins in. So yeah, when I'm in town, I'm gonna go and get an over-the-door hook. I'm sure Class Olsen's got them for $2.99 or something. Also, yesterday, I was really happy. Well, not really happy, but I was quite happy that I've got 56 subscribers. And then when I looked again last night, just before I logged out, I had 55. Someone unsubscribed. Do you know what I say to people who unsubscribe from me?
Catch me outside, how about that?
That was a march in town for NHS funding, or I don't really know what's going on. I don't really watch the news or politics things or blah blah blah. I'm at PQA, I'm with a dress, Niana, Jessica and Naomi and everyone else, and Devon's not coming this week because she's in London. So I hope you enjoy your time in London, Devon. You better vlog, and it better be an interesting vlog, because these vlogs haven't been interesting very lately, so do it, or else. PQA with these hoes.
I've got one like
yes,
there as well.
On your nipple?
On your nip.
Nip. How you doing, guys?
I'm grand.
Do you like your script?
Yeah, it's
I don't. Do you, Robbie? Jessica Ingram thinks that me and Robbie have a thing, but I'm 17 and Robbie's only like 13. So that would be like
So
highly illegal.
Point by ignoring Paul.
And that's like highly illegal, and like look at me, I'm just too good for Robbie, so I'm just too good for him.
Thanks, Nana.
I wasn't saying.
Like look, that is the angel light blessing me with my chubby fat double chins and
You chinless wonder.
you chinless wonder. You chicken livered shit.
Chicken livered shits.
Did you
That's
watch
cool,
Big
but-
Brother last night?
Yeah, no,
No.
I watched it the night before.
Colleen won.
She's won.
Colleen Nolan won.
It's freaking
PQA has finished. It's finished. Isn't it not? It's not dark. Compared to last week, it was pitch black. So, as I've already said earlier in the vlog, Devon has been to London today. I don't know what she's done. She said she's went to this museum and she's done this thing and she felt how cold the water was when the Titanic sunk in 1912. But yeah, so she filmed a few clips and took some pictures, so I'm going to put these here and you can see what she done and seen in London.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
I've got Friends on in the background and I'm just editing this vlog that you're watching. Yeah, I'm watching Friends. I've got halfway through editing. So yeah, life's fun, kebab, garlic sauce, greasy chips, Friends. Getting fatter and fatter and fatter. To the point of heart attack. Needing a haircut again. I only got a cut like 2 weeks ago, but my hair's all over the place. I'm not even joking about it. So yeah. Okay guys, so that is the end of this week's vlog. It's 1:15 and I'm going to go to sleep because I am knackered. So until next time on my vlog channel, toodles.